Hi, I'm GA, and today I'm going to be doing tricks with fidgets. On this fidget, I'm going to be doing 3 tricks with it. 1 easy, 1 intermediate, 1 hard. On this, I'm going to try to solve it. And on this last fidget, I'm just hoping I can solve it in time. If I mess up or don't solve it on one of them, then my cameraman AU gets to smack me in the face with a pillow. First off is this weird fidget that looks like a Rubik's Cube. And it looks like I've gotten past round 1 of fidgets.
Today, GA will be doing 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard, with this fidget spinner. Level 1, spinning it on the table. Level 2, spinning it in the air for 20 seconds. Level 3, swapping thumbs with the fidget spinner. Only his thumbs. Yes, only his thumbs. And same rules, if he fails, I get to slap him in the face with a pillow. And if he fails, I also get to try myself. I will be spinning the fidget on the floor for 30 seconds, starting now. First challenge completed. Good for GA. I don't have to slap him in the face with a pillow. Second challenge, he'll be spinning the fidget spinner in the air for 20 seconds, starting now. Nice, Jay, you finished. And I didn't have to slap you in the face. For now. In the final challenge, you'll be swapping thumbs with the fidget spinner. And he can only use his thumbs, starting now. Oh no! You failed. You know what that means. Pillow slapping FaceTime. And since he failed, it is my turn to try to do it. And I will hopefully do it right, because I don't want to get slapped in the face by the pillow. And yes, if I fail, he gets to slap me in the face. I think I did it. At least I didn't have to get slapped in the face with a pillow. But GA wasn't so fortunate. GA's final challenge, he will solve the soda can fidget with 1 minute. The time will start. He will start when he starts the timer. You failed again, GA. It is time for you to get slapped in the face with the pillow. GA, it's time for you to get slapped in the face with the pillow. Ugh! That wasn't so fortunate for GA, losing 2 times. But at least I didn't have to get slapped in the face with a pillow. Ugh! Payback time!